The stout defense continues this evening of the actions of the Firearms Licensing Authority FLA in light of concerns over the alleged issuing of licenses to persons of questionable character. FLA Chairman Dennis Wright says that at all times the body followed established guidelines and procedures. Another board member highlighted the need for evidence if persons are to be denied licenses. The subject was discussed on RGR's Beyond the Headlines last evening. More in this report from TVJ's Krista Campbell.
The FLA has been under fire and is facing intense scrutiny following news that gun licenses may have been issued to persons who are suspected to be of questionable character. However, Board Chairman Dennis Wright is unapologetic.
The board has not been doing anything that may be considered corrupt or bad practices.
Mr. Wright insisted that the FLA was proactive and had asked the police to look into certain applications from as far back as February and June, when a meeting was requested with the police high command to discuss the issue.
We requested again to be given any names that the police high command has so that we may do our due diligence. On June the 29th, we received a name to which the board immediately acted on the matter in light of the accusations that were made. I, of course, not at liberty to spell out the person's personal details.
There was also an insistence by board member Granville Gauze that although there may have been rumors about a certain person's character, the FLA does not act solely on suspicion. He highlighted that the FLA's internal procedures are integral to any decision-making process.
We have our own investigations department whose report is dissect, analyze, and review it as a body. But I was just giving you an example. If you're saying a man is a thief, we want sufficient material to back up that.
Yes, if you're going to charge and convict him. But if the issue is whether you should grant a gun license, should you not at least suspend judgment until you do know whether or not the person is a thief?
But due diligence is taken and carried out, madam.
However, several questions remain unanswered, such as were the rules bent to facilitate certain persons getting gun licenses?
The board has a responsibility to the stakeholders and the people of Jamaica. We operate on the mandate. The board has done no wrong. The board has created no new procedures. The board utilized the systems it inherited. We have been doing a good job in ensuring that those who are supposed to get license get, and those who feel aggrieved, we have dealt with those issues.
National Security Minister Robert Montague has asked that a review board look at the procedures of the current and past FLA boards. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, Mr. Wright has sought to clear the air regarding why the FLA's Deputy Chairman Dennis Meadows saw it fit to resign from the board of the FLA. According to Mr. Wright, the decision was personal.
Mr. Meadows by himself does not constitute the board. He's a member of the board. Okay? He has said he has a personal issue with a smear campaign. What is he supposed to do? He has taken a position